Hello, good morning, FI Becom.
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, shall we start?
Hello.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Shall we
Yes, ma'am.
start? Shall we start? Okay. So, which was the last point yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Which was the last point? Last point. Which was the last point? I think we were discussing about the urban-rural divide. Okay. That first point is over. Social interaction. Am I right? Social interaction is over. Okay. Then second point is that different interests. Had I discussed agriculture, main occupation? Had I discussed now? Yes or no? Okay. So I'll start with the third point, communication choices. Villagers discuss the matter orally. In the towns and cities, the oral communication is not much used. Today, the mobiles have transformed our ways of talking. Okay. So when we see the difference between rural area and urban area, that in the rural area, the people talk to each. Okay, so the people talk to each other in in rural area face to face. Okay, but what happen in the cities and what happen in the towns, that people talk to each other, but by using the mobile phones. Understand? People use the mobile phones to talk each other. Do you understand properly? Do you understand properly? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then next point is person's relationship.
Yes, ma'am.
In village, person's relationship tend to be limited to the family and few other person. Okay. In the town, apart from the family and close friends, that person has a contact with business associate, play group members. Okay. So not only that family members, when we are talking about the rural area, that rural area have the limited population, they talk to each other. Okay, they have that more information about neighbors also. But when we are talking about the town people, they have the contact. Okay, but according to their needs. Okay, they have the particular groups, they have the particular play members group. If they join in some particular business group, then they have the lot of contacts or number of contacts. So do you understand this point? Hello. So
Yes, ma'am.
do you understand this point? Do you
Yes,
understand?
ma'am.
Okay. That types of family. Joint family system still prevails in the rural area. Nuclear family systems usually found in the urban area. Okay. So we see joint system or joint family system in the rural area. Okay. Nowadays, how we live? We live in the nuclear family. Nuclear means separate family. Am I right? कि सबको अपना अपना घर है. जैसे मैंने आपको कल बताया था, आई थिंक ये पॉइंट हो गया था कि अगर एक माँ बाप को 3 बच्चे हैं, 3 भाई हैं, तो सबके अलग अलग घर है. माँ बाप भी कभी कभी हमको ऐसा दिखाई देता है कि माँ बाप अलग घर में रहते हैं और बच्चे अलग घर में रहते हैं. तो डू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पॉइंट? सिंपल वाला है, अंडरस्टैंड ना? यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes.
ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
आगे का
Yes,
देखते
yes,
हैं.
ma'am.
इकोनॉमिक्स एक्टिविटीज. Economic sectors. Village economy wholly depends on agriculture. On the other hand, in cities, the economic activities totally depend on the service sector. Okay, so whenever the economic activities are spoken or we speak about that economic activities at that time, that we know that village people mostly related or dependent on the agriculture. Okay, वो खेती बाड़ी करते हैं, but that there are variety of numbers or there are variety of fields are available in the urban areas. Okay, so here we can see the service sector. Okay, the good example of Kota in Rajasthan: shops, banks, hotels, restaurants, guest houses, all depends on money spent by student and visitors. So most probably in Kota is one of the state of Rajasthan, one of that place of Rajasthan. Okay, so here that it is well developed because there it has the shops, hotels, guest houses, everything means every facility is available. Every facility are available. So the people go there and spend their money, and because of it, it is developed most. Okay, so do you understand this point properly? सर्विस सेक्टर में हमको बहुत ऐसा कुछ दिखाई देता है कि सिर्फ
Yes, ma'am.
हमको अलग अलग फील्ड दिखाई देता है
Yes,
कि
ma'am.
यहाँ पे अलग अलग हमको फील्ड दिखाई देता है कि फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे होटल ज्यादा है, बैंक ज्यादा है, शॉप ज्यादा है, मॉल ज्यादा है, रेस्टोरेंट ज्यादा है, गेस्ट हाउसेज ज्यादा है, तो वहाँ पे हमको सर्विस सेक्टर अर्बन एरिया में ज्यादा दिखाई देता है. ओके, नाउ वी विल सी next point. Cash money. Yes, what is cash money? Village economy is cash money. A farmer buys seeds, fertilizers, etc. with the cash, and he pays the farm labor in the cash. Even his debts to money lenders are in the cash. If the flow cash is halted, the village economy collapses.
Hello, ma'am. तुमचा आवाज नाही येते बरोबर.
Okay. Right now, can you hear me properly? Can you hear
Excuse
me?
me, ma'am.
Yes.
मॅम आवाज येत नाही तुमचा.
आता आवाज
आवाज
येतोय का?
ब्रेक होतोय मॅम तुमचा सारखा.
हा